In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view comments on Substack. If you've ever wondered where the discussion lives on a Substack post or inside notes, this walkthrough will make it clear and simple, whether you are on a phone, tablet, or computer. Let's start with regular posts. When you see a post you are interested in, open the full post view by clicking or tapping the post title. You can also use the comment icon, the little speech bubble you'll often see near the title or preview. Either option takes you into the full post page, where everything related to that post is organized in one place. Once you are in, scroll all the way to the bottom. And that's where you'll see the comments. This is the main conversation area for that post. And it's designed to load as you move down the page, keeping the reading experience smooth. If you notice a number next to the comment icon, that number reflects how many comments or replies are currently in the conversation. So it's a quick way to gauge activity before you scroll. Now, Substack doesn't just have posts, it also has notes, which are quick, lightweight updates and conversations. In the notes feed, you don't need to open a full article. Instead, simply tap or click the comment icon directly beneath the note you are looking at to see the conversation attached to that note. This keeps the discussion just one step away, letting you jump into the thread right from the feed without losing your place. The icon works the same across devices, so the flow is familiar whether you are on the app or in a browser. If you'd like to keep track of what you've said and where you've said it, you can easily review your recent comments. Click your profile icon and check your activity. This activity view gathers your recent interactions, so you can quickly find posts or notes you've commented on and return to those discussions. It's a convenient way to revisit a thread, see how the conversation evolved, and follow up if someone replied. That's it. Click the title or the comment icon to open a post and scroll to the bottom for comments. Use the comment icon under a note to view note conversations. And check your profile activity to see your recent comments. With these simple actions, you'll always know where the conversation is happening on Substack and how to get back to it anytime. Thanks for watching.